Sir, the board meeting at Sterling Corp is supposed to hold tomorrow morning. Their counsel is asking to push it.
I don't care about the board meeting.
Tell them I buy the shares today or I buy their company tomorrow.
Good morning, Mr. Walters. Ma'am.
How's the driving gig holding up? Are Mr. Walters and Mrs. Nadesh as snobbish as the news makes them out to be?
Yeah. They live on another planet, Leah, completely detached from reality. But their daughter, Leola, man, she looks at me like I'm a piece of meat on display.
Well, you make sure to tell her that the butcher shop is strictly closed for business. Handsome.
You know, Leon, my father pays you to drive, but I could pay you triple just to keep me warm tonight.
Miss Leola, I'm flattered, but I'm engaged. I'm just here to do my job.
Nobody says no to me in this house, Leon. Nobody.
Have a nice evening, Miss Leola. Unless you have something else to say?
You said you needed this move to the window, Miss...
What are you doing?
Help! Somebody help me! Get off me!
Are you crazy? Stop! What is happening here? Where is the driver and my daughter?
Daddy, Mommy, he forced his way in. He tried to rape me.
What? No! Mr. Walters, Mrs. Nadesh, she's lying. Check the hallway cameras. Check the...
You trash! In my own house? In my own house? You die!
Lock him up! Lock him up and throw away the key!
We'll take it from here.
I didn't touch her, officer. Check the security footage in that hallway. They're setting me up.
Don't bother listening to him, officer. He forced his way into my daughter's room. My security caught him in the act. Just get him off my property.
Save it for the judge, buddy. Move it.
I told you, driver. Nobody says no to me. Oh, look at you, Leon. From driving my father's Maybach to sitting in the back of a squad car. How does it feel?
You know you're lying, Leola. You broke that vase yourself.
Look, Carlson, the guards caught Leon on the floor. The glass was broken. This case is finished.
Look closer, Vance. Things are not what they look like.
But the screws were taken off from inside the room first. Someone opened the door for him.
If a bad guy breaks a door from the outside, the lock snaps outward. But look here.
Wait, so Leon didn't kick the door open?
4 minutes of video are completely missing. Someone deleted the tape on purpose so we wouldn't see who really broke the crystal vase.
Someone in that mansion is hiding a big lie. I am going back to find out who turned off that camera.